When it comes to upgrading your home with new windows, choosing the right installation expert can make all the difference. Quality windows and professional installation improve your home's energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and provide added security. However, with so many service providers in West Jordan, finding a trustworthy expert can feel overwhelming. Customer reviews are a powerful tool in helping you make an informed decision. Here's how to use reviews effectively to find the best home window installation experts for your project. Why customer reviews matter. Customer reviews offer real-life insights into the experiences of other homeowners who have worked with window installation companies. Unlike advertisements or sales pitches, reviews reflect genuine experiences, including positive feedback, challenges, and how the company handled any issues. By reading reviews, you can gauge a company's reliability, professionalism, and quality of work. In addition, reviews help you identify patterns. If a company consistently receives praise for their timeliness, attention to detail, or exceptional customer service, you can feel more confident in their ability to deliver a positive experience. Start with trusted review platforms. Not all review platforms are created equal, so it's important to rely on trusted sources. Platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, provide a broad range of customer feedback. Google and Yelp often have comprehensive reviews, photos, and ratings from local customers, while the BBB rates companies on their responsiveness to customer complaints and overall business practices. Look for companies in West Jordan with high ratings and a strong presence on these platforms. This indicates a commitment to customer satisfaction and a track record of successful projects. Look for recurring themes. When reading customer reviews, pay attention to common themes and patterns. Positive reviews that consistently mention punctuality, professionalism, high-quality work, and excellent communication are good indicators of a reliable service. On the other hand, recurring negative comments about missed deadlines, poor communication, or subpar work should raise red flags. Look for reviews that mention the specific type of window installation you need, whether it's replacing existing windows, installing energy-efficient models, or handling custom designs. These details can help you determine if a company has the expertise you're looking for. Read recent reviews. The most recent reviews provide the most accurate reflection of a company's current performance. Businesses can change over time, so it's important to know how they're performing now. If you notice that older reviews are positive but recent ones raise concerns, it may indicate a decline in quality or customer service. Conversely, if a company had issues in the past but recent reviews are glowing, it may show that they have addressed previous problems and improved their service. Evaluate responses to negative reviews. No company is perfect, and even the best window installation experts may occasionally receive negative feedback. What sets trustworthy companies apart is how they respond to these reviews. A professional response that acknowledges the issue, offers a solution, and expresses a commitment to customer satisfaction is a sign of a company that values its reputation and genuinely cares about resolving customer concerns. On the other hand, Dismissive or defensive responses can indicate poor customer service and may be a reason to proceed with caution. Consider the scope of services mentioned. When evaluating customer reviews, pay attention to the range of services mentioned. Are customers satisfied with the company's ability to handle various types of window installations? Do they offer custom solutions, energy-efficient options, and high-quality materials? Trustworthy experts will receive praise for their knowledge, craftsmanship, and ability to meet diverse customer needs. Check for referrals and word-of-mouth recommendations. In addition to online reviews, ask friends, family, and neighbors in West Jordan for recommendations. Personal referrals often provide detailed accounts of the customer's experience, from the initial consultation to the final installation. A trusted recommendation can give you added confidence in your choice and provide valuable insights into what you can expect from the installation process. Balance quality and cost. While affordability is important, choosing the cheapest option may not always lead to the best results. Reviews can help you find companies that strike a balance between competitive pricing and high-quality work. Customers often mention whether they felt they received good value for their money, which can guide you in making a cost-effective decision without sacrificing quality. Making the right choice for your home. Finding trustworthy home window installation experts in West Jordan doesn't have to be daunting. By leveraging customer reviews, you can gain valuable insights into a company's professionalism, craftsmanship, and customer service. Look for recurring themes in reviews, evaluate responses to feedback, and consider both online reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations. With careful research, you'll be able to select a reliable expert who delivers exceptional results and transforms your home with high-quality window installations.